Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Now, as you may have already seen the title of this video, it's going to be a Q&A round. Everything about false eyelashes because there was festive season and now there is ongoing wedding season. I do have a lot of weddings to attend. So, I think that's how a lot of my followers got to see that I was wearing a lot of false eyelashes. Um, in the recent days, and I'm still heading out with falsies. So people were asking me that how is it so easy for me to wear them, to maintain them, to clean them, and just a lot of general queries about false eyelashes. So I thought of coming and making this video and telling you about how do I do everything about them. So let's begin. So the first question which was asked a lot was that will it harm my own natural lashes? Now, let me tell you that false eyelashes never even bother to disturb or harm your natural existing lashes because falsies are supposed to be worn on top of the lash line, so it doesn't really bother your natural lashes and it's very easy to wear and take them off without tugging with your natural eyelash. So there is no chance that falsies will ever tend to harm your natural lashes. What are the lashes usually made of? Now, lashes could be either of the sterilized human hair, or it could be of high quality, natural looking, and cruelty free synthetic hair. That's the two categories that I know of. Now, of course, the main question, how do we put on eyelashes? Now, let me tell you, putting on eyelashes is again very easy. It's a pain-free process and it's very quick. But practice makes a man perfect. So let me show you how. Now, all you need to wear false eyelashes is a pair of falsies, glue, and a hairpin for the adjustment. Now, get the glue on, let it dry, and then place it on the lash line very gently. You may fix them using the hairpin, and this is all you have to do. Now, I do agree that makeup is not a cakewalk and practice makes a man perfect. So it all comes with perfection and the amount of tries that you keep on doing. But when I started blogging back in 2014, things were not very easy at that time because I was self-taught. All the makeup that I'm showing you, all the tricks that I'm showing you here, everything is self-educated, self-taught, and there was no one to teach me really. But now things are evolving, things are getting so much better, there are so many opportunities for you out there. So if you're someone who's passionate about beauty, fashion and lifestyle, then this new YouTube program is the perfect thing for you. It's the perfect platform for you. It is called the Good Creator Club, the YouTube Stars. Now, this is a platform where you can connect, collaborate with so many brands and people. You can have an access to unlimited My Glam products for free, at the same time doing something that you really love and something that you're passionate about. You will get featured on a lot of social media platforms of Plixo, Popexo, and also My Glam. So that's how you will also see a lot of chance of reachability. You will reach out to more and more audience, and which is going to be great for you. So if you're someone who is very passionate about content creation, especially on the lines of beauty, fashion and lifestyle, then definitely have a look, because I will link all the details in the description box below so you can check it out and have a look for yourself. There are already 3,000 people who have signed up in this program and they are enjoying it. You could be the next. So have a look at the link below. Now, another question that a lot of people were asking me, that how painful could removing eyelashes be? Now, again, let me tell you, it's a painful process because the glue that you use to stick on the falsies on your lash line is very light, and it's not something that's going to really bother your eye area at all. So you can just pull off your eyelashes very simply, very gently from the outer corner to the inner corner of your eye. Let me tell you another thing, that mascara can definitely be applied on false eyelashes, but it's just going to reduce the number of times you could use your falsies because the longevity reduces and the maintenance becomes even more difficult. So I usually avoid using a mascara on top of my false eyelashes. What I do is I do apply mascara on the lower lash line but not on the top lash line. Taking good care of your eyelashes is an imperative thing to do. Make sure that you remove any sort of glue or mascara from the false eyelash after every use. You can do this by peeling off the glue using your fingers. Store the falsies in the original tray and the box to help ensure the lash will retain its shape and curvature. So that's it for today's video. I hope this quick Q&A session was helpful, and I hope that you have learned a lot of new tricks and tips about how to wear false eyelashes, how to clean them, how to maintain them, and how to make the best use out of them. Also, make sure to have a look at the Good Creators Club, the YouTube stars, the link to which will be in the description box below. So I will see you very soon. Bye.